guys, it's time to open Christmas present order. Alrighty. Okay. Alrighty. This is for my cousin. This is for my aunt. This is for my cousin's husband. And this is for me. Okay. So, put that in there. I think I'll use that to put everything in when I go to my aunt's. That'll be easier. I know. Delivered. I am actually working on editing the other videos for today. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Alright, set this aside. Oh yeah. And I got a really good price on this. Look at this. I got this. That's way cold. For doing therapy. Because it's got a nice, soft, cushy top. Oh yeah. And a nice microphone right there. So this is perfect for doing therapy. Okay, great. There we go. So I'm going to replace that one with this one. And I'm going to wrap these. I got this for my cousin's friend who's been taking us everywhere this year. See if I can. I know it's a little tough to see, but it's President Trump when they tried to assassinate him. They love Trump. I don't, but I know they do, so. Excuse me. So he's gonna love it. Anyway. So I'm going to which account? Kid missing. 509, guys. So yeah, that's what I got. Let me kind of explain what everything is. I just showed it to you. This is a pen that's a multi-tool. He'll love that. Got my LCD disc. These are heavy. Really nice. And this is just like a bath set. Because I already had one present for her, which is up there, that I showed you. It came from Temu. And I think everything's going to fit in this box to take to my house with me after everything's wrapped. So that'll be perfect. I'll just grab her present. I think I put his present in there. Yeah, coins in there and be able to do that. So, Brittany's present is there. Yeah, we're all putting that box. I put that box with me. Videos. Okay. And I'm watching Locker Nuts. Drinking my tea. I'm about to turn on my potatoes for my cream of chip beef. So, bye guys. God bless you, and I will see you tomorrow. Please subscribe. like I said, we're really trying to get to 300 by April 9th. We should get there long before that because we don't have that far to go. Anyway. Bye, guys.